Welcome everyone, I am back. Today is July the 13th, 2022. We're going to talk about Quant today. Yes, this is going to be my first time doing a price prediction for Quant. So welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. If today is your first time seeing my videos, my content, this is what I do. I do the price predictions just by looking at the price chart. I don't talk about no fundamental analysis. I don't come through and try to read articles upon more articles and more articles just to figure out whether or not the market is going to move higher or go down. So if you guys want to learn more how I'm able to do this, I definitely want you all to join the team. And you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, and also subscribing here to the channel. Now, let's talk, because the title of the video read that Quant has broken that 287-day restriction level. Now, where is that at? Because obviously, when I zoom out of this price chart, you all can see that the market trend in Quant is down, right? I would say ever since September of 2021, the market price in Quant has gone down. Now, this is just only on the Binance exchange. Okay, I'm looking at information from that one exchange only. Anything prior to August of last year on a different exchange, I'm not going to consider that information right now. So let's talk though. You guys can see that we have seen a slight directional change in the market in Quant, have we not? You guys can see that recently we have been slowly but methodically going down in price until recently the market in Quant is trying to move up higher. We need to talk about that because we want to know if the market price in Quant is going to continue to move higher. We definitely need to be positioned to participate in that move, right? So look at this. That's all pretty much we need to know, right? As long as the price in Quant continues to trade above that ascending line, guess what? The market will always go up. So we really need to try to focus in on here to the left side. Where would be the next area that the market may hit some selling? Where are the sellers positioned in the market in Quant? Now, we're already seeing the market top out, right there around $90. The market in Quant topped out around $90 here on July the 10th. So about 3 days ago. That is the nearest point that we can expect to see some sellers enter the market to try to push back down the price. So let's try to create this area to which the market in Quant hit restriction. Now, check this out. We've seen the market in Quant, right, get rejected recently about 3 days ago, around $90. Is it just a coincidence that back at the beginning of the year, this $90 price was trying to be seen as a buying point? The buyers were there at the beginning of this year trying to keep the price from falling below $90. Well, here we are today, and the market is utilizing that area as selling. So that's going to be a major crucial point for us to pay attention to Quant to see if the buyers will be able to break the price above it. Because if so, then we're going to continue to expect the market to move higher. Now, there is a psychological area right there around $100 that we need to be keen in on. We might need to be paying attention to that particular level as well, because that will be the next spot. So let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame real quick. Let's start off here on the 5-day, because here on the 5-day chart, on a 5-day perspective, I really want everyone to see this, because when you take a look at the combination between the price bar and the volume, it gives us a whole lot of information. It tells us what's really going on. It tells us whether or not the majority of the market participants are selling or buying this particular cryptocurrency. So when you look in at this particular 5-day price bar, right, that's an indication that the market is pretty strong. It's trying to move up. Now look at the volume though. That volume is heavy. It's pretty deep. But then you come to this current 5-day price bar, and you see we're seeing more volume than we did on the last 5-day price bar, but the spread, look at the spread at this current 5-day price bar now. It's a lot smaller. So what's really going on within the last 4 days? Is the market mostly selling? And if it's a lot of selling going on, are the buyers buying it? Or is the market really trying to go up? In the next day and 14 hours, we'll see what's to come. Now, currently, from what I'm seeing, I do suspect that the market price in Quant is still aiming to go up. Yes, I am. Look at this on the 3-day. Okay. So you guys can see that this is where a lot of the volume came in right there. Now we're still seeing that the market price of Quant is still trying to go up. So a lot of that volume from the last 3 days is not impacting the weakness. The buyers are definitely there, open up their wallets, trying to buy Quant here. They're trying to buy up all of the buyers who came into the market at the beginning of the year, are now trying to sell it. The buyers are definitely willing to absorb it. They're definitely willing to buy it because they want to see the market run up. So now, look at this one on 2-day. You guys can see from the breakdown of these prices on the smaller time frame where all the volume is coming in at. We have 13 hours and 2 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar, and we're still able to see the market in Quant close higher than the previous one. I like that because it continues to tell us that the market is trying to move up. Okay. So I am going to expect the price in Quant to move higher, but guess what? One thing about me is that I drop price targets. Yeah, I give you areas to where I think the next point of selling is going to occur when the market is aiming to go up, and the areas of support when the market is aiming to go down. So where do you think the next area of restriction is going to be? Because I can see it around 100. It's not even that far from where we are at right now at 82. $82 right now. My next area would be around 100 outside of this $90 current restriction area. Okay. So take a look at Quant right here on the 3 weeks. So from a 3-weekly perspective, we ended up pretty good last 3 weeks. 5 weeks. Okay. And this is the monthly chart. So now let me go ahead and drop this on the chart real quick. Let me go ahead and do a price prediction showing you all where I'm suspecting the market in Quant to go. Because like I said, I'm looking for the market in Quant to move higher. Definitely as long as price trades above our ascending line. And then on top of us looking for the market price in Quant breaking $90, that's a 20% move higher. Just for it to go to $90 from where the market currently is now. Okay. So now the only problem that I see for us hitting that ultimate TP price, which is now in front of you, would be $90. So that's going to be my first price target, $90. So that would give us around 7% profitability, just for something for us to congratulate ourselves because we called the market moving up and we were in position to win. So let's nibble off a little bit right there, which is 7.37%. Ultimate area is around 100, which gives us around 20%, 20 and a quarter. All right, so let me take this away, clean up the chart. You guys can see what my expectations are. Still looking for the market in Quant to move higher. But if we break this ascending line, we're going to have to readjust. Okay, the market in Quant does this, and it shows us that it cannot break 90, and we break that ascending line, we need to talk. All right, so let me know, what do you all think? Give me your price target, your price prediction in the market for Quant. Let me know, what do you think the market is about to do over the next couple of months? Well, not months, the next couple of trading days to weeks. Okay, let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.